Foods is an interesting story. We're a 100-year-old company in the bakery ingredient space. I joined the company 3 years ago and we had no infrastructure in place for e-commerce or online ordering or digital. The company had the ambition to be online. Customers were asking for it. We were nervous about Amazon and Amazon coming into the marketplace. The project was twofold. It was how do you quickly put together the tech stack to bring online ordering to life while in parallel going through this massive change management transformation project to enable all the aspects of an e-commerce business, pricing, product, the selling aspect, the messaging, the look and feel, all those things had to be thought about and brought to life in a relatively short time. When we looked around and who we wanted to be doing business with, we wanted to be doing business with like-minded organizations. I wasn't looking for vendors. I was looking for partners. I was looking for people who were passionate about the technology they brought to market and were passionate about the future of what they were going to bring to market, how they were going to grow their business, evolve their product stack, and in doing so, if we had that great partnership, it would be a win-win for Dawn Foods and for the partners that we chose to be part of this journey with us. And in Contentstack, we found one such partner. With Contentstack, we really enjoyed the features of the CMS itself. And so the ability to update our site in real time, the ability to not have to go through the development team, and the intuitive user interface allows people to come to Contentstack, improve the site, do the work that they need to do without having a lot of technology expertise or needing a lot of training. So it's been really great to democratize the process of bringing content to life for the organization. The support team at Contentstack as well as the customer success team are really responsive and have helped us both grow the business and respond to any needs or issues that have arisen with a lot of timely response and a lot of future focus on the partnership together, which has been great. We got to the starting gate in July of 2020. We launched an e-commerce business for the first time in our company, the first time in our industry. The site and the experience got better and better and better. We actually delivered more story points in 2020 after launch than we delivered before launch. We have an amazing voice of customer program in place, and we serve the independent bakers around the United States. We hear from them every day. They have a large ambition for what they want to do online. They have a large desire to engage with Dawn Foods online. Having a partner like Contentstack is going to help make that possible for Dawn's future.